Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to make this right here. Now, these are called birdcage earrings. Now, the way that we would normally make birdcage earrings is not the way I'm going to make these earrings, okay? They look like they're in a cage, but they're in a cage, ouch. But the way that I did it a little different. So in order for you to achieve this look, I'm going to tell you the things that you're going to need. You're going to need now, let me say this. You can use whatever kind of wire you have, as long as when you use your wire to wrap, that it gets stiff so that your beads won't fall out. So my choice is aluminum wire. So you're going to need two. Now, these are 14 millimeter wood beads. Now, you don't necessarily have to have 14 millimeter wood beads. You can do this technique with 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 12 millimeter, whatever you have, as long as the hole is big enough for the wire to fit through, okay? So you're going to need two beads, you're going to need two fish hooks, you're going to need two pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, but I'm going to repeat myself again. You can use whatever wire you have, okay? My choice is aluminum wire, and these two pieces are 12 inches long, okay? Got my ruler here, already measured it. You're going to need your wire cutters and some round nose pliers. Now, I'm going to show you really quick. These earrings can be made in this is a really easy how to make video, y'all. So, the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take one piece of your wire and you're going to insert it through your bead. Now, when you put it through your bead, you want to try to make sure that both sides are even, okay? You're going to push both sides up just like this. All right, that's what you're going to have. And then you're going to push them all the way over to the opposite side, all the way down completely, just like this. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're just going to start wrapping this around your bead. Okay, so you're just going to continue to wrap just like this around your bead. Okay, and you're going to have one bead that's going to be a top bead and one bead that's going to be on the bottom. Now, this is going to be the bottom bead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my round nose pliers, come up to the top, and continue to wrap this around. But I'm going to leave this just like this on your bead, okay? So that's going to be on the bottom of your bead. Okay, so once you got that piece down, all right, then you're going to come up to the top of your bead and you're just going to start wrapping like this, okay? All right, so that's going to be pretty much the top of our bead, and I'm going to take this little piece here and make a loop and tuck it down in there and pinch that up like that, okay? So this is going to be our, did I say top bead? This is going to be your bottom bead. So this is the bead that's going to be on the bottom, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're pretty much going to do this one the same exact way. Okay, you want to take it through your wire, and you're going to pinch these two pieces up. Now, if it's not even, don't worry about it, okay? Don't lose no sleep over it if it's not even. And you're just going to pinch both pieces down to the sides. Whoops. Like this. One is going to come down on this side, and then one is going to come down on the opposite side. And we're going to wrap this just like we did the very first time. Now I'm going to leave that. I want this part to be my top. So I'm going to start off down at my bottom, and I'm just going to wrap around just like this. And this time I have to leave some of my end out. Okay, so now I need to make a loop right here on the end like this. And before I make my loop and close it, I'm going to add on this part. So I'm going to slide that on just like this and tuck that down in there like that. Okay, so that's going to be hanging from the bottom. Now I'm going to come up to the top, and I'm just going to continue to wrap just like I did in the first one. And it's amazing with these earrings because you can pretty much make these however you want, y'all. Okay, it's quick and it's fast, okay? So got that. And then I'm just going to take and make a loop. And tuck it down in there like that. And pinch that over. And here you have your beautiful earring. And then all you have to do is add on your fish hook. And my suggestion to y'all is make your own fish hooks when it comes to using aluminum wire. That's if you use aluminum wire. And the reason why I say that is because if you make your own fish hooks, you can make it big enough to fit over the wire. Y'all gonna have to excuse my hands, they're a little ashy. To fit over the wire, okay? So here you have your beautiful bird cage earrings. And the thing that you can also do with these earrings is you can make these 3, you can make them 4, you can add as many beads as you want. This is a really fast tutorial. It's quick as fast. And this is pretty much, this is like, I would say like a beginner's video for me. For somebody that's just starting out and want to learn how to wrap some wire. But this is it, y'all. And also, what I want to say, you can also, if you don't want to make this part the end and you want to put a loop at the bottom, all you do is just do it the same way I did this one. And then you'll have yourself a really cute pair of earrings, okay? They don't have to be identical. They could be different. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate you all so very much. I got some more tutorials that is coming your way. I have another tutorial that I'm not even going to say it yet, y'all. But anyway, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. I would greatly appreciate it. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My super supporters. Y'all know who you are. And with that being said, until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. Happy crafting. See ya.